It's a very stable kick out at the end of the corner. Oh no! Oh, that's probably broken.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing, and one of the new AXON touring cars are here. So let's go take a look at the brand new AXON TC10/3.
I don't
All right.
look funny on camera.
I can cut you out if you don't want to be on it, but this is Eddie. He just bought the new AXON, the AXON TC10/3.
Yes,
This is the brand new. This is their third car. I've never seen one of these before. First of all, the chassis, it's the carbon, right? It's the carbon
it's a
chassis
carbon
on
car.
the front?
That's the only car chassis they come with.
Oh, you cannot get an aluminum.
You cannot get
only
aluminum
carbon.
right now, yes. They designed this car for asphalt.
Okay.
And mainly for the TITC race.
Yes.
And,
which just completed last week. Okay. Wow. And then you built it pretty much to stock build, or
pretty much, yes. The only thing I replaced the screw. I used all the titanium.
The titanium
to
on
make
the
it
top.
look a little bit pretty. That's about it.
Yes.
But the rest is all stock car. I didn't put any option part. The only option part that come with the car, that I bought for the car is those extra weight.
Extra weight.
Yeah, those are ballast weight.
Where's the weights go?
Right here,
oh,
right behind, right under the arms.
Oh, they go into the arm.
Yeah, those are 5 grams each, so 10 grams for each end. And that's the only thing I buy optional for this car, besides the screw. Yeah.
So does it take pills on the top to adjust your toe and your
yeah? So the caster is all controlled by an insert that go in here. They go into the pin.
Yes. Okay.
And that control the angle of the caster.
Okay.
As we all know, if you follow the AXON car, they don't use C-hub.
Oh.
And the system is similar to what you will find in the Schumacher MI5.
Okay.
So they will have this steering knuckle, and then it's hold on to by just one screw. And that's the pivot point. That the whole thing.
It all pivots on the one screw.
Yeah, exactly. And the angle it depends on that this piece. There's an aluminum piece in there.
Yes.
And that's where the knuckle screw on, and the caster insert is going there to control the angle.
Ah, interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
And my radio is at
Neat.
Yeah, it's pretty
Sway
neat.
bars on the bottom, eh?
Yeah, sway bar on the bottom.
Yeah.
And they only have 2 versions. They have the 1.2 or 1.3 mil.
Yes.
They don't have any thicker.
Okay.
So the nice thing is, like you see this bar here.
Yeah.
They say if you go perpendicular to the sway bar, that's for 1.2.
Okay.
If you go in line linear with the sway bar, that's for 1.3.
Ah,
Yeah. So you know, because the sway bar doesn't mark, you don't know what size they are.
Yeah.
So if as long as you choose the right setting, then you know what you're on right now.
This bumper it came with, or you printed that?
I printed this one myself.
Okay. Comes with foam.
Yeah, it comes with foam. It's small, really small one.
Yeah.
And
then you're still on a solid top deck, or one-piece top deck.
This is one piece but
split?
split. Yeah, but this is a stock top deck. They make an optional one, but it's thinner.
Yeah. Right.
So it gives more flex.
Did you cut through any of it?
No, this is all stock. I haven't do anything to the top deck yet.
All right. Interesting. So for this is all fixed position, then it's all adjustable from the outside then? You don't ever kind of play with this?
No, never. Yeah, well, the only thing you can do is change the shim to change the roll center, but I haven't really played with this car much. Today is the first day I race it.
Yeah, it's the first time it's ran, right?
So but most likely I will play with it a little bit, but right now the car is okay. Not the best, but it's decent on the great car.
Very nice.
Yeah.
When you were building it, you said there was something about the spur. You can't,
Right.
limit to how small or big of a spur
Exactly.
you can
The number one thing I complain about this car is the spur.
Yes.
Like this car is designed to use the AXON spur that look like a Hurricane. You know the one.
Yeah, the one that has the curves in it. Yeah.
Right. That one will fit perfectly.
Okay.
But unfortunately, that spur can go all the way down to 100 teeth. You can go any lower.
You cannot get a 96 tooth spur.
You cannot. You can get a 96 spur from AXON, but that one is too thick.
Okay.
So the how they put this
Oh, it's
together
too thick.
is too
so
thick.
they kept it in the middle. So if you
Right.
want, there is no way to do a quick spur change with this, right?
No,
You'd have
that's
to-
not easy. Yeah.
Yeah, it
so
takes a while.
So the other thing is because the ball bearing, to support the whole assembly here
Yes.
is a sandwich, and then by this one shaft that goes screw in, and then they will sandwich this thing together. But if this spur is thicker, that means that shaft will be shorter,
Oh, yes.
and then you will grease the ball bearing, and then you bind it.
okay.
That's why you have to use the AXON or use the spur like that. I think it used to be made by panel racer.
Okay.
That one fit. That one just thin enough to fit in it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So the only extra weight you had to add was just to the rear arms. That's it for extra weight.
No, this car right now is underweight.
Okay.
I haven't have chance to put all the ballast weight to.
So all these modern cars are so light. You
Yes.
have to end up adding so much weight to them. But yeah.
Right now this is about 60 or 70 gram light. Not too light right now. But I guess
All right.
club rate they don't really care right now. So.
Yeah. Because for this club, we're allowed to be a little bit underweight. With
We're
this
just
club.
having fun for now.
Yeah. Nice. Well, thanks for telling me about your new car.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah. Pretty neat. Thank you. All right, we're gonna watch the blue car go around. See how it goes. This is the new AXON TC10/3. Looks pretty stable. See how it comes into this. Yeah.
All right, ready?
Looks like it handles like a modern sedan, like all the others. Very competitive. Eddie's a good builder. He's got it dialed in already. Pretty good. Remember, this is Q1. He's never really raced this here before. It's never really been on gray carpet before. Looking good. Very nice.
Lap average, Jake with a 9.2 lap average, Eddie currently up in 9.3 lap average, Mike with a 9.4, and Kip with a 9.8.
It's a very stable kick out at the end of the corner. Looking good. I mean, all that can be dialed in the setup, but we're going to take a look at it design and see how it differs from the X-Rays and the Mugans and all that stuff that's on the market now. Nice. All right, this is stock sedan A main. We are going to be tracking the blue car a bit because that's the new AXON TC3. So we'll see how the new blue car does. It's the new AXON in this main. See if he can move up any positions. Oh, got a little loose on him there.
First couple laps there. We have Gordy up front, followed by Mike, Jake, Mark, and Eddie. Fastest car on track right now is Gordy with an 8.7. Fastest lap, Mike with an 8.8. We have Jake with an 8.8 as well. Mark currently with an 8.9, and Eddie with an 8.9 as well. Super fast. Gordy going around with an 8.7. Fastest lap now.
Looks pretty good.
0.5 seconds.
Holding on to everybody.
Mike on track. 0.7 seconds separating Mike and Jake for second and third place car. Battle from first all the way to fifth. Everybody in contention on this one.
Whoa!
Between Eddie and Jake there.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are going
You
in
can tell if that was a racing mistake or if that was a mistake by Eddie, but
followed by Mike Z in
interesting
fourth place
way to get around.
lap 505.1 pace.
Gordy up front, followed by Mike, Mark, Eddie, and Jake. Fastest lap of the race right now. Gordy, the first place car with 8.5.
Lap 505.2 pace, followed by Jake in fifth place with the third lap 508.5 pace.
Coming down to about 3 minutes and 30 seconds left of the race. Now Gordy up front, followed by Mike, Mark, Eddie, and Jake. Gordy now going with an 8.5 on lap number 9. Mike with an 8.6, Mark with an 8.6,
Oh, that
Eddie
was
with
close.
an 8.7, and Jake with an 8.7. These guys are fast. Currently, the lead cars, Gordy and Mike, separated by 0.2 seconds. Oh, is that the pass for the lead? Mike's now.
Oh, yellow car's now the leader.
the yellow car being chased by the white car. That's the risk of the lead.
Oh,
Coming up on Jake with that orange car.
19 in first place with a 35 lap 505.5 pace, followed by Gordy in second place with a 35 lap 506.1 pace, followed by Mark in third place with a 34 lap 508.6 pace, followed by Eddie in fourth place with a 33 lap 506.1
we'll watch this battle for the lead here.
33 lap 507.1 pace.
So Mike up front, followed by Gordy, Eddie, Mark, and Jake. Last lap still held by your second place car, Gordy, there with an 8.5, fastest lap on lap number 9.
So the yellow car is Mike Zufelt, the white car is Gordy Tam,
Eddie with an 8.7.
the green car is Mark, the orange car is Jake, and the blue car is Eddie.
With an 8 lap average, Eddie with the 9.1, Mark with a 9.3, and Jake with a 9.4. Current gap between your lead cars, Mike and Gordy, 0.5 seconds. That's the white car, sorry, the yellow car and the white car battling it out, coming down the straightaway, going through the infield.
The top drivers are Mike Z in first place.
That's Eddie caught up between them.
504.8 pace.
Split between them. Whoa. Nice yield, nice yield.
Oh, small gap on board.
Fourth place with a 30
Brought up the gap a little bit there.
7 pace.
That is now 1.3 seconds separating those lead cars. Jake on his roof.
Followed by
Speedy
Jake
Marshall
in
in the wall
third
back.
place, 32 lap 5.2 pace.
Coming down to the 1 minute, 10 seconds left in the race. Mike's left front by Gordy, Eddie, Mark, and Jake. We have another battle developing. Eddie and Mark battling it out. 0.8 seconds separating Eddie and Mark, your third and fourth place car. 2 battles on track.
All right, there's a battle for fourth and a battle for first. Although the yellow car is way out in front now by a good 2 corners.
Behind you here, about 7 seconds behind Mark.
45 seconds left.
Whoa. Oh, contact.
1 second. The top drivers are Mike Z in first
That's
place.
going to put Mark right on the back of Eddie.
Followed by Gordy.
Oh, no. Oh, that's probably broken.
Place with a 33 lap.
Although the car looks really strong. That's what intrigued me about it, is how strong it looked, and it just took a real hard hit. And it looks to be still driving fine, so that's a good sign. But if you saw my little overview of the car on the bench, the thing I don't like about it is if you strip the spur gear, you can't do a quick 2-minute change, not even close. It'll probably be more like 10, 15 minutes to change a spur gear on it, or more. So yeah, there we go. That's the first race I've ever seen with the new AXON TC10-3.
Gordy done.
And everybody's done. Mike takes
Everyone's done. Everyone's done. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.